King Ninja Man,
Yeah.
all of them.
Come up with the cartel time. Yeah.
So I was the one that released Vibe Cartel, really.
Mm-hmm.
Remember me give him first #1 song, me put him on Billboard the first time.
Really?
So,
Yeah. At them education they want here, cause me as a person,
no,
for the
we
music.
do this because the problem is, we don't do this for fame. We do this for the love of the music.
That's right.
I remember when them done with Vibe Cartel, them Kid Down Ninja Man. After that Sting thing.
Yeah.
I went and find him and me and said, youth, you can't kill talent, you have to rise talent.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So they never want nothing to do with him. I find him and do a song with him, an angel. I give him birth to a life. Yeah, you know your baby father. I went #1 then, and then we do the picture this, best specialist. And that was the first Billboard song.
Right.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And if you like my video and you like this video, click on another video. May I jump straight to another one now. Beenie Man, what happened to Beenie Man? King of the Mascot. Yo, that brother here one liar. Him a one liar. Something wrong with him, you know. Something wrong with Beenie Man. That youth here, him carry grudge. Him selfish. And you can, when you look upon him and he might talk to people, he don't even look at people in the face. And him tell a big lie. In that video that I just played, he told the radio station boy then in Africa, say, him give Vybz Kartel him first #1. You hear that? Beenie Man also went on to say that he mentored the DJ after him kicked down Ninja Man on stage, that nobody wanted to deal with him, and he started dealing with the DJ, and him and the Angel made a song with the DJ, and that song that they made went #1 on the Billboard charts. Now, I've done some fact check, and I have never seen the #1 that Beenie Man said he gave to Vybz Kartel, or Imam Vybz Kartel did, but I'm gonna come back and talk a little bit more about that. If anybody out there can jog my memory or show me some kind of facts where Beenie Man gave Vybz Kartel his first #1 in a partnership record. As far as I know the history of Vybz Kartel, he was with Bounty Killer then. And he used to go see you and write for Bounty. And I guess him and Bounty, him leave Bounty camp. Now, I know that Beenie Man and him did a song, and I know so Beenie Man and him pardon a little bit, but I don't know of Beenie Man giving Vybz Kartel his first #1 after the man them, after him Ninja Man on the stage show thing. Let's move on. Now, this is what bothers me the most about this guy. The mascot of dancehall. He went on to say that Vybz Kartel got popular, and once he got popular, he started to act snotty, And Beenie Man said that experience with Cartel left him disillusioned. That's why he does not bust any artists, even though he don't mind helping. No, I did a video, and you guys can click on it. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and click on the next video. But I did do a video on Beenie Man, and I can't figure out for the love of Christ why this man do not help the rest of artists then. He's like Mr. Vegas. Vegas is another pum pum. Vegas a madman anyways. Me don't see say I'm a madman. But you never know what kind of traumatic experience I'm have. Now, if Beenie Man ever use that excuse with Vybz Kartel, say true Vybz Kartel make him no boss another artist. Beenie Man a big pussy dog, straight up. And I did know say that boy a one pum pum. Because him don't help nobody. The only person that you can help by himself and him gal them, a peer pussy them money help dog. If you not have a vagina, then money not help you. Him talk about loyalty. Me hear say him par with Tristan Palmer's son, which is Tristan Palmer Jr. And me hear say Tristan Palmer's son a bad man. Tristan Palmer one cool youth. Tristan Palmer is a quiet man, low key, is a shy youth, but he might make waves in the music. I like Tristan Palmer, not like Beenie Man then. But Beenie Man, one thing me I tell you, if you start help the artist then, even Barry Sammons help Jack Ure. If you start help the artist then, and help the man then, you understand, you're a selfish pussy hole man youth. Straight up. And if you stop the lie, can you give Cartel in first number one? That you, Cartel, he have more talent than you. Cartel, more helpful than you. When it comes to the music thing and people. You understand? Enough people in boss Shensia, in boss the whole of Gaza them. You don't do anything like that, Beenie Man. So leave Cartel out of this. With that said, that's it for me now. Me have to wrap that one here up. I just want to know what happened to Beenie Man, king of the Mascot Dancehall. Okay? My name is COUNTRYMAN. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Well, Beenie Man are the biggest lion on the planet. You understand? The music thing, you tell too much damn lie. Now, me have to big up the crew. You understand? So, without further ado, good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, 306, truck boss, Trini boss, Westmoreland boss. You think me forget about you? No. Western Baker, big up yourself, cause you leave your big bad comment. Be blessed, big up yourself. You understand? Andre Brooks, Topper Jones, David Milan, Omario, Murdoch, big up yourself. Jabby, big up yourself. You understand? Icewater, big up yourself. Coming from Countryman. Then there are the people that will comment. Some of the people that will comment and subscribe to the thing. See, Countryman, I'm out. You like this? Click on another video.